Hello students, today I am going to teach you your next topic of class 7th wind storm and cyclone chapter 8. I had already completed these two pages. Now today I am going to teach you this topic air expand on heating. Here you can see that when air is heated its volume increases and it occupies a bigger space. We say that air expand on heating. According to this line, the fact is that when you heat the air its volume increases and it occupies a bigger space. It means it increases its space after heating. We said that air expand on heating. Here is an activity which shows you that if you heat the air present in a tube, then it's it increases the area of balloon. In this figure you see that if air is in container, balloon is tapped on its mouth and this tube is not heated, then the area of balloon is very less. In this figure given, when boiling tube is placed in hot water, the air is present in boiling tube gets heated, expand and it inflates the balloon. This means if air get heated of this tube with the help of water, boiling water, which is present in this container. If you heat the tube, then the air present in this tube also gets heated. After heating, the air which is present in this tube transferred to this balloon and it increases the surface area of air and also that of balloon. So from this activity we conclude that if we heat the air, the volume of air is increases. Okay, we come to our next topic. Hot air or warm air is lighter than cold air. It means here you see hot air is lighter than cold air. Hot air rises up. Hot air rises up. It means if we take hot air and a cold air, then hotter air is very less in weight. There is an activity which show you that this practical of this hot air and cold air. When you come on this activity, here is a bag of cold air and a bag of cold air. Inverted paper bag, same paper bag, thread means string which is attached to this air bag, light wooden stick, these both are joined with a light wooden string. If in this figure, if you burn a candle on downside of a cold air balloon, or then it's get heated into and transformed the air present in the container into hot air. If the cold air present in the tube gets heated, then it's converted in the form of hot air. After converting into hot air, the balloon gets lighter and very lighter. Due to this, the cold air come down and the balloon of hot air goes up. Okay, so this is the activity which shows you that hot air is very lighter in weight as compared to cold air. So you have to read air expand on heating. There are two activity which I shows you. So you have to read whole completely from here to here. Okay, whole activity and this activity completely from your book. Okay, from this activity here is given the above activity give us two conclusions about nature of hot air. First, hot air is lighter, which I have told you in activity first. Second is being lighter, hot air rises up. This also I told you in this activity. That after heating, the hot air rises up. It means if we heat the container which contains cold air, then it's get converted in the form of hot air. So these are the two experiments which you have to read from your book about hot air. Okay. Example of hot air is given. Something is that hot air balloons goes up because the hot air filled in them is lighter than the surrounding cold air. You see this type of balloons. Okay. So this is also based on hot air phenomena. So you have to read this also. Okay.